guys, welcome to vteachacademy.com. Today in this presentation, we are going to discuss about graphical representation of the roots of quadratic equation. So let us consider two quadratic equations, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and y is equal to ax square. Now let us write this equation in the form of the straight line y is equal to mx plus c. So let us transfer bx and the constant term to the right hand side. So we get here ax square is equal to minus bx minus c. So here we have the another equation as y is equal to ax square. Let us substitute the value of ax square as y. So we get here y is equal to minus bx minus c. Now let us consider this as the equation 1 and y is equal to ax square as the equation 2, where the equation 1 is a straight line and the equation 2 is a parabola. And now let us discuss some rules. If equation 1 and equation 2 have got two common points, then their x-coordinates are the two distinct real roots of A. And if the equation 1 and 2 have the single point in common, then their x-coordinate is the only root repeated of A. And if equation 1 and 2 have no points in common, then no real roots for A exist. Then the roots are said to be complex in this case. And now let me explain this concept with the help of an example over here. Here we have the equation 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So first let us compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we get the value of a as 4, b as minus 4 and c is equal to 1. So we already know that the equation of the parabola y is equal to ax square. So by substituting the value of a as 4, we get the parabola for this example as y is equal to 4x square. Now let us write the given straight line 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0 in the form of a straight line y is equal to mx plus c. So first let us transfer minus 4x and plus 1 to the right hand side. We get 4x square is equal to 4x minus 1. So we have the value of 4x square as y. So by substituting here we get y is equal to 4x minus 1. Now let us consider the parabola y is equal to 4x square. And then let us prepare a table of the order pairs x and y that satisfies the equation y is equal to 4x square. Here we have two rows. The first row gives the values for the x coordinate and the second row gives the values for the y coordinate. Now let us assume the different values for x and find the values for y. So if we consider x value as 0, then how would you get the y value? So we get y value just by substituting the value of x as 0 in the equation y is equal to 4x square. So by substituting here we get y is equal to 4 into 0, that implies 0. So let us write 0 over here. And then if we consider the x value as 1, then the y value would come as 4 into 1, which is nothing but 4. So we get the value of the y coordinate as 4. Then let us assume the value of x as 2, then we get the y value as 4 into 2 whole square, that implies 4 into 2 square is here 4. So the product of 4 and 4 would come as 16. Now let us consider some negative values for the x. So first let us consider the value of x as minus 1. Then we get the value of y as 4 into minus 1 whole square, that implies 4 into 1. So let us write 4 over here. And now let us consider the value of x as minus 2. So by substituting x as minus 2 in the equation, we get y is equal to 4 into minus 2 whole square, that implies 4 into minus 2 whole square is 4. So we get the product of 4 and 4 as 16. Now let us consider the straight line y is equal to 4x minus 1, and we shall now prepare a table of the order pair x comma y. Here the first row gives the values for the x coordinate and the second row gives the values for the y coordinate. So let us assume the value of x as minus 1, then we get the value of y just by substituting in the straight line y is equal to 4x minus 1. So by substituting we get y is equal to 4 into minus 1 minus 1, that implies minus 4 minus 1, which gives the value minus y. So let us write minus 5 over here. And then now let us consider the value of x as 4. Then the value of y would be 4 into 4 minus 1, that implies 16 minus 1. So here 16 minus 1 would come as 15. So let us write 15 over here. And now let us draw the graph for the parabola y is equal to 4x square and the straight line y is equal to 4x minus 1. Here let us consider the scale of x as 1 unit and the scale of y as 5 units. And now let us plot the points of the parabola y is equal to 4x square. So we have the first order pair as 0, 0, which is a point over here. and then we have the next order pair as 1, 4. So it is a point here on the coordinate plane. The next order pair here we have as 2, 16. So let us mark a point over here. Then we have the next order pair as -1, 4. So it is a point over here. Then we have the next order pair as -2, 16. So let us mark a point for the order pair -2, 16 here on the graph sheet. So by joining points we get a parabola for the equation y is equal to 4x square. And now let us plot the points for the straight line y is equal to 4x minus 1. So here we have the first order pair as -1, 5. So in the negative y-axis -5 is a point somewhere here. Then we have the next order pair as 4, 15 and it is a point somewhere here on the coordinate plane. So let us mark. So by joining these 2 points we get a straight line for y is equal to 4x minus 1. So here note that the line y is equal to 4x minus 1 and the parabola y is equal to 4x square intersect exactly at one point whose x-coordinate is 1/2, and therefore we get only one root. So the set of solution for the given parabola is 1/2. So this is how we find the roots of a quadratic equation by using the graphs. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vtshacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.